Look, children, here is a thin king. He has a fat dog. பாருங்கள் குழந்தைகளே, இவர் ஒரு ஒல்லியான அரசர். இவருக்கு ஒரு கொழுத்த நாய் இருக்கிறது. The king and his fat dog go for a walk. அரசரும் அவருடைய கொழுத்த நாயும் நடைபயிற்சிக்கு போகின்றனர். Oh, the fat dog sees a cat. The fat dog runs to catch the cat. Oh, கொழுத்த நாய் ஒரு பூனையை பார்க்கிறது. கொழுத்த நாய் பூனையை பிடிக்க ஓடுகிறது. Oh no, now the king has to run. ஐயோ, இப்போது அரசர் ஓட வேண்டும். They run and run and run. அவர்கள் ஓடுகின்றனர். Look, the fat dog is now thin. Hey, பாருங்கள், கொழுத்த நாய் இப்போது ஒல்லியாகிவிட்டது. The king and his thin dog go home. அரசரும் ஒல்லியான நாயும் வீட்டிற்கு செல்கின்றனர். Children, running is a great exercise. Even the fat dog became thin after running so much. Keep playing and stay active. குழந்தைகளே, ஓடுவது நல்ல உடற்பயிற்சி. கொழுத்த நாய் கூட ஓடி போய் ஒல்லியாகிவிட்டது. நீங்களும் விளையாடுங்கள், ஆரோக்கியமாக இருங்கள்.
Hello, little learners. Are you ready for a fun activity? Let's think and do. Look at the pictures. First, who is this? Is it a queen or a king? Yes, it's a king. Circle the word king. Next, what do you see here? A dog or a cat? That's right, it's a happy dog. Circle dog. And what about this one? Is it a cat or a dog? Yes, it's a cute little cat. Circle cat. Well done. Now, let's answer yes or no. Listen carefully. The king is fat. Is that true? No! The king is thin. So tick no. The king has a fat dog. Is that correct? Yes, the dog is fat. So tick yes. The dog sees a rat. Is that correct? No. The dog sees a cat, not a rat. So, tick no. Now the dog runs to catch the cow. What do you think? No, the dog is chasing a cat. Tick no. The king runs with the dog. Is that true? Yes, the king is running after the dog. Tick. Yes. Great job. Arrange the story in the correct order. Now, let's put the story in the right order. Look at the pictures carefully. Which scene comes first? Yes, the king and his fat dog are walking. That's number 1. Oh, the dog sees a cat and gets excited. What number is this? That's number 2. Oh no, the dog is running fast, dragging the king behind. This must be number 3. They keep running and running. The dog is getting thinner. This is number 4, and finally, the dog stops. And now it is thin. The king looks tired but happy. That's number 5. Yay, you did it! You arranged the story in the correct order. You're amazing! Great job, everyone! You answered all the questions and arranged the story perfectly. Keep learning, keep thinking, and I'll see you in the next fun lesson. Bye-bye!